Oh, sorry, I forgot I was vlogging. Why do people have to use their phones while riding? Hello, hi, namaste. Welcome back. You all planning to get some customizations done to this bike? Didn't think or didn't plan to visit any particular store, just going out and hunting for a good shop around. I stay near Miapur, Kondapur area, you can say, and I got no better shops around, so going towards Himayat Nagar, Narayanguda to check out for a better store. Let's see, let's try our luck, see what we get. Kind of a wrong time to move out of the house on the bike in Hyderabad in this season. Quite hot outside, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Oh, sorry, I forgot I was vlogging. So after yesterday, I have removed my windshield for some purpose to get some stickering done to it, painting and stickering. I have done the painting, yet to get stickering done. Painting I did at home, stickering I can't do at home, so I need to go out. Yeah, so the point being, after removing my windshield, after removing the windshield of this bike, this suddenly seems to be way shorter and lighter. Just some placebo effect, but it does feel like that. Bag's a little heavy today. We have some toolkit and the older handlebar of this bike. So why do people have to use their phones while riding? I don't get it. So what is the need to, use cell phone while driving? I don't understand. If it is really that important, you can stop somewhere, use the phone, then get back on the road. Or if you have to reach somewhere on time, first reach there, then use your phone. Why risking your life and others around your vehicle? So on this channel, we are here for the first time. This is Khairatabad flyover in Hyderabad. That is, I don't think you can see clearly on camera. I'll show you when we get there. There is a very huge Ambedkar statue here, and then our new Secretariat of Hyderabad. So there it is, the very huge statue of Ambedkar here in Hyderabad, and that's our Secretariat. And this is infamous Prasad. Also, a fascinating fact, this was where Formula E was conducted in India, in Hyderabad. This was the whole track, and there were stands here, people could see from there. So we have Sham here riding our bike, and this is his bike, Pulsar 220F, beautiful machine. We are heading towards home, Common Point, Lagdi Kapul. Till there we'll be having this little bike exchange, and from there we'll continue on. Be careful on these merging roads. The guy coming straight would be at a higher speed, since you are entering the main road, like since you are entering the main tributary of the road, you have to be a little slow. ठीक है, आगे जाने के बाद मेरे को राइट लेना है, तेरे को स्ट्रेट जाना है.
कहाँ से
तेरा ये स्ट्रेट है ना? मेरे को ये राइट लेने का है. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली. एग्जैक्ट आइडिया नहीं आ रहा, रुक जाओ.
यहीं पे एक बेकरी है.
नहीं, मेरा भी स्ट्रेट है. यहाँ पे है क्या बेकरी?
हाँ, यहाँ पे.
हाँ तो ठीक है, यहाँ से तू आगे रह.
यहाँ से मैं बताता हूँ.
हाँ. So the thing is, I got my power bank with me in case my GoPro goes out of charge, but a very huge but, I forgot the cable. So I have power bank in case the GoPro goes out of charge, but I don't have a cable to charge it. So I got the most important thing, that is the power bank, and forgot the next most important thing, that is the cable. So we have stopped here for some quick bite maybe, or something cold to have since it's too hot. Then from here we'll be heading back towards our home.
One eternity later.
So now we are heading back home, and little welding work is left, so we'll go back home, and on the way we'll try to get this welding done. We have a bike here. There's done some markings on it and taken a handlebar to do some chop. Yeah, so this welding is done and it looks pretty hard, nice, strong. It looks pretty strong. So this is basically done to attach a phone holder here. You'll probably get a picture when I'll have my windshield back. So phone holder will come here and it'll stay under the shade, at least some shade, while riding in sun. So that's it for today. Let's meet another time, another video. Until then, stay safe, ride safe. Do subscribe to PD on Wheels if you haven't yet.